It seems like only yesterday that the world of cryptocurrency was a niche domain, a playground for tech enthusiasts and speculative investors. But the game has changed. Donald Trump has shifted the narrative, bringing his trademark unpredictability. Once skeptical, Trump has undergone a crypto conversion. His pro-crypto stance is now impossible to ignore. His administration fosters a more crypto-friendly environment. Executive orders push for American leadership in digital finance. Trump's business ventures have taken a digital turn. Trump Media and Technology Group is making inroads into the crypto space. Plans for crypto offerings signal a strong belief in digital assets. The message is clear. Trump believes in the power of crypto. His involvement has captured the world's attention. What does this mean for the future of cryptocurrency? Only time will tell. Enter TrumpCoin, a cryptocurrency with a name that leaves no room for ambiguity. Launched amidst a flurry of hype and speculation, TrumpCoin quickly became the talk of the crypto world. As a meme coin, its value was initially driven by social media buzz and online communities. But TrumpCoin's ambitions extend far beyond internet memes. The coin has made significant strides toward mainstream adoption. Perhaps the most notable example is its acceptance as a payment on websites selling Trump-branded merchandise. This integration into the world of e-commerce is a testament to the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies. The rise of TrumpCoin has also paved the way for other meme coins to gain traction. These digital assets, often inspired by popular culture or online trends, have become a force to be reckoned with in the crypto market. Their success can be attributed in part to the increased visibility brought about by TrumpCoin. However, it's important to note that meme coins are inherently volatile. Their value is often driven by speculation and social media sentiment, making them a risky investment. While TrumpCoin has undoubtedly shaken up the crypto landscape, its long-term impact remains to be seen. The integration of TrumpCoin into online marketplaces has been nothing short of remarkable. No longer confined to the digital wallets of early adopters, the coin is now accessible to a wider audience. This increased accessibility has been a key factor in its mainstream adoption. The ability to purchase Trump-branded merchandise with TrumpCoin has brought a tangible aspect to the cryptocurrency. It's no longer just a digital asset, it's a means of exchange for real-world goods. This development has made crypto more relatable to those who were once intimidated by its complexity. Moreover, the acceptance of TrumpCoin by Trump-affiliated businesses has created a sense of legitimacy around the coin. This endorsement by a high-profile figure like Donald Trump has helped to normalize cryptocurrency in the eyes of many. However, the road to mainstream adoption is not without its challenges. Volatility remains a concern, and the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Despite these hurdles, the integration of TrumpCoin into the mainstream represents a significant step forward for the crypto world. While TrumpCoin has captured the public's imagination, the institutional world has been quietly embracing cryptocurrencies for some time. Major financial institutions, once wary of this new asset class, are now entering the fray with gusto. The evidence of this institutional adoption is overwhelming. Bybit, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, has launched a payment solution in Brazil, integrating with the popular Pix system. Coinbase, another industry giant, has received regulatory approval to operate in Argentina. Even central banks, those bastions of traditional finance, are starting to take notice. The Czech National Bank is reportedly planning a multi-billion euro Bitcoin purchase, a move that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. This institutional interest is driven by a number of factors, including the potential for high returns, the need to diversify portfolios, and the growing acceptance of crypto as a legitimate asset class. As more institutions enter the market, it brings with it liquidity, stability, and legitimacy. The crypto world is no longer a fringe movement. It's becoming part of the financial mainstream. Section 5. Crypto conquers the globe, from Argentina to Zambia. The reach of cryptocurrency extends far beyond the borders of developed nations. From South America to Africa, crypto is gaining traction as a tool for financial inclusion and economic empowerment. In Argentina, where economic instability has plagued the country for decades, Bitcoin has emerged as a safe haven for citizens seeking to protect their savings from inflation. The government's recent embrace of crypto regulations has further fueled this adoption. In Africa, mobile money platforms have paved the way for widespread crypto adoption. Countries like Kenya and Nigeria have become hotbeds for peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading. For many in these regions, crypto offers a more accessible and affordable alternative to traditional financial services. The global expansion of crypto is a testament to its universal appeal. Whether it's used as a hedge against inflation, a tool for cross-border payments, or a way to access financial services, crypto is breaking down barriers and connecting people across the globe. Section 6. The long arm of the law, regulation casts a shadow. As cryptocurrencies gain mainstream acceptance, regulators around the world are grappling with how to oversee this new and rapidly evolving asset class. The lack of a unified regulatory framework has created uncertainty in the market, posing both challenges and opportunities. In some jurisdictions, regulators have taken a proactive approach, establishing clear guidelines for crypto businesses. Others have opted for a more cautious approach, issuing warnings to investors about the risks associated with crypto. This regulatory scrutiny has led to enforcement actions against some crypto firms. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, is currently under investigation in France for alleged money laundering. KuCoin, another major exchange, recently exited the US market after pleading guilty to operating an unlicensed money transmitting business. While increased regulation is often seen as a hurdle for the crypto industry, it also brings a much-needed level of legitimacy and investor protection. As the regulatory landscape evolves, it will be crucial for crypto businesses to adapt and comply in order to thrive in the long run. Section 7. Navigating the Crypto Maze, an Investor's Guide. The world of cryptocurrency can be a daunting place for newcomers. With thousands of digital assets to choose from, volatile markets and evolving regulations, it's essential for investors to tread carefully and make informed decisions. One of the most important things for investors to understand is that cryptocurrencies are highly speculative assets. Their value can fluctuate wildly, and there is always the risk of losing your entire investment. It's crucial to do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. This includes understanding the technology behind the project, the team behind it, and the potential use cases for the coin. Diversification is also key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Finally, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto space. This includes following regulatory news, market trends, and technological advancements. Section 8. TrumpCoin, a gamble or a golden ticket. TrumpCoin, linked to a polarizing figure, presents unique considerations for investors. Its adoption in Trump-branded businesses is noteworthy, but risks and opportunities must be weighed. TrumpCoin's association with the former president is a double-edged sword. It may attract Trump supporters, but alienate others. As a meme coin, its value is driven by speculation and social media. This makes it highly volatile and susceptible to price swings. Its growing acceptance and potential benefits from Trump's ventures present opportunities. Ultimately, the decision to invest in TrumpCoin is personal. Weigh the potential rewards against the risks based on your financial goals. Section 9. The future of crypto, a world transformed. The cryptocurrency revolution is still in its early stages. While the journey has been marked by both triumphs and setbacks, one thing is clear: crypto is here to stay. The increasing institutional adoption, global expansion, and mainstream integration of cryptocurrencies all point to a future where digital assets play a significant role in the global financial system. However, challenges remain. Regulatory uncertainty, technological hurdles, and the need for greater public understanding of cryptocurrencies are all obstacles that must be overcome. Despite these challenges, the future of crypto is bright. As technology continues to advance, and as more people around the world embrace the potential of digital currencies, we can expect to see even greater innovation and adoption in the years to come. The world is changing, and crypto is leading the way and also taking charge. Comment your thoughts below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for our daily videos. Thanks for watching.